Guten Tag, everyone. It's your boy Bly here with IronCross Racing, coming to you on a lovely Sunday afternoon in the Texas Hill Country. It is late February, and it's about in the low 70s. So sun finally popped out, so I decided to take a quick little jaunt on the Silver Bullet. Out of the way, assholes! I'm coming through. So I just want to get everybody. So I just wanted to give everybody a quick little update. I know I've been gone for at least a week or two in regards to releasing a motor vlog, but just kind of want to give everybody an update on the new job situation. So I just finished my first week at my new gig, and it's absolutely amazing. It's kind of funny how you kind of put yourself in the right situation, how much motivated you feel to actually go to work and contribute and put forth your best effort, etc., etc., etc. So yeah, I'm totally stoked. Definitely can bring some value to this position and bring some change to this department that I'm currently leading. So I'm definitely pumped up. Looking forward to next week, and we'll see where we go from there. Still think it's going to be a little bit hit and miss in regards to releasing videos, mainly because just the time I'm going to take to focus, especially initially, on getting everything cleaned up in my current situation. A lot of times when you come into someplace new, there can be a lot of tidying up that needs to take place. And this new position is no exception. And I will say that most of you lovely folk out there probably really don't want to hear much about jobs when you hop on the old interwebs to watch some YouTube to kind of get away from all that. But it's currently where I'm at right now, so it's the big thing in my life. So I'm just letting you all know. So yesterday I took the Silver Bullet in to get a pair of warped rotors replaced. The Sinister fat spoke rim I had, the stock solid rotors that came with it, just couldn't handle the old Bly and how aggressively I ride the Silver Bullet. So after a few months, I'd say about 6 months, 6 to 8 months time frame, they started to pulsate. But the company I bought it from was extremely awesome, and since it was still within a year, they switched out my solid rotors with some EBC free floating rotors. Had a little chrome center, right, so they kind of match the rims. So I'll do a little, see if I can do a little shot, maybe like right here, show you guys a picture of what the new ones look like. So they popped them on yesterday, as well as some new EBC pads. I have about 11,000 miles right now on the Silver Bullet, so I don't know how long you typically can get out of a pair of brake pads, but I think it's like 15 or 20,000, depending on how you ride. mean, it all depends on the rider, really. But yeah, I popped on some semi-sinistered pads to kind of see how those go. See if they're a little bit easier on the rotors. At the same time, still give me the stopping power I want. They're supposed to be the best of both worlds, but we'll see. I'll kind of report on those as I get them broken in here and kind of go. I will say initially, I mean, this is actually the first ride. They do feel a little soft, but we'll see if they kind of, after the compound that's kind of on the surface of those pads, kind of help with the break-in. After they get fully broken in, I'll let you guys know how they feel compared to stock fully sinistered pads that Harley has. Now, Harley had some good pads. I heard they were Brembo at one point on the newer bikes. I think when I talked to the dealership, they said it varies, but I've seen a lot of stuff online saying that people are seeing at the Brembo. So that was a big thing yesterday, taking the Super Bullet in to get those rotors and pads put on. The main reason why I took it into the dealership, I just didn't feel like dealing with it, and actually the price to get them switched out was pretty dirt cheap in regards to Harley prices. That and the lift that I bought when I installed the fat spoke rim decided to blow his guts out all over the place right after I used it. So I used it the one day, and the next day I walked out and there was a puddle of fluid all over the garage. So took it back to Harbor Freight, returned it since I didn't need it anymore, and I just haven't had a chance to really backfill. Pretty much all the cheapy jacks that they have out there all pretty much suck. There's only really one that really get. Don't remember the name off the top of my head. I'll put a picture of it here, but they're like 500 bucks. So if I had numerous bikes, if I was doing a lot of projects, I would do it in a heartbeat. But 500 bucks is a lot of money for a jack that you're going to use occasionally. So that's why I decided to take it in the dealership and have them take care of it. So seems like a lot of activity online lately. Mostly a lot of mail calls. Oh my god. Mail call, mail call, mail call. Marsha. Now, for all of you that have sent me out mail and you haven't seen me do a mail call, there's two reasons for that. Reason number one is Dig Life is the keeper of the mail, and I just haven't, in the last couple weeks, haven't been able to hook up with him, whether or not it's his schedules or the weather's sucked, and so we haven't ridden. So we haven't ridden lately, so that's usually when I would pick up my mail. So there's a little bit of lag. If you guys sent me something, I'm sure I got it. I'm sure it's with Dig Life. I just got to hook up with him to get it from him. And as soon as I do that, anybody who I haven't sent out stickers to that sent me something, I'll go ahead and get those stickers in the mail to you. Still got plenty of stickers, IronCross Racing stickers. So don't worry, you'll get them. It'll just be slightly delayed. I apologize for the tardiness, both of mail calls and the stickers going out to you. Reason number two is...
Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here to weep and moan. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last unstruck got a tail is brown. Green Sally up, Green Sally down, last unstruck got a tail is brown. Oh, Miss Lucy dead and gone, left me here